went over to my girlfriend's house to go have sex with her, and then I came back home. Excuse me, like, I'm naked under here. I'm in just lingerie. I want to go inside. And I will have both of you guys in court for wrongfully arresting me.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not. No, wait, hold on. Can we at least talk about this?
We're trying to talk about this.
No,
We're trying to talk.
Ma'am.
You're physically hurting me. For what?
Right when I was pulling into my house.
Well, you're going about 45 down Clark Road, and it's
No.
25 along there.
Actually, I had my cruise control on. I was actually going 28 miles an hour, 3 miles an hour over the speed limit, which is 25 miles an hour down that road.
All right. Do you have your driver's license and your insurance with
Actually,
you?
you actually can't ask for that because I turned off my vehicle before you were able to pull me over.
Do you have your? No, I mean.
I do not. No.
Yeah.
Nope. Sorry. I'm already home. My vehicle is turned off before you were able to pull me over. Like, you cannot ask for that. I'm going inside. I'm going to bed.
You are not going inside.
I am going inside and I am going to bed. If you want to ask for your deputy or whoever's in charge, that's fine. But like I said, your lights were not on until I had pulled into under the overpass.
Well, you're mistaken.
So
You're mistaken
I know my legal rights, sir.
You're mistaken.
Like I said,
I need to see your driver's license.
I'm not. Like I said, I am parked. My vehicle is not on. Your lights turned on when I was already parked, so that's fine if you want
I'm
to
going to need a second car here.
think that you're going to need anything. But I'm not providing any information for you, and I'm going to go inside and I'm going to go to bed.
You are not going inside right
I
now.
am, and
No.
like I said, your camera should be on. So
It is.
if you want to review it, like I said, you can't pull over a vehicle that is already parked and turned off. So my vehicle was parked. You turned around. You pulled a U-ey when I was going 28 miles an hour. I was pulling up to a stop sign. So not only that, but I was also slowing down from 28 to 0 to make a stop to turn, to come onto my street, to also park my vehicle and go to bed. So you can do whatever you think you want to do, but I'm going inside and I'm going to bed.
No, ma'am. I need to see your driver's license.
You do
and your
not.
proof of insurance.
You cannot do that. I know my legal rights. Like I said, I will wait here all night for your little boss. But like I said, my car was parked and it was off. So you're pulling over a car that's not going. I stopped at Coney Island, so I have French fries in the car from Coney Island. That's all you got in there.
Mhm.
Is there anything else that I can help you with? Because my car's off.
Yeah,
And like I said, I'm going inside. I'm going to let my dog out to go to bed.
Is being a little uncooperative here.
No, you pulled over a car that wasn't going, so again, I'm going to bed.
So where are you coming from tonight?
I'm coming from my friend's house. It was her birthday.
All right. How much have you had to drink?
Literally
You okay?
nothing.
You okay to be driving?
I am absolutely fine to be driving. I
How
literally
long-
came from.
Has it been since you had your last drink tonight?
I don't know what time it is now because I left my phone at her house. But I stopped drinking at exactly 11 o'clock. So
Okay, it's 3
if
o'clock now.
I'm exactly, so it should be at least 4 hours. I made sure I stopped. I have 2 children that are under the age of 5. So I'm fully aware of what's going on. I also just had a DUI not too long ago. So
Okay.
like I said, I'm fully aware of what's going on. I know the situation, and like I said, I'm more than willing to cooperate. However, like I said, my car was parked, and I'm not going to do anything because my car was off. My vehicle was parked. Your lights didn't come on until I was down here. So, like I said, I'm going to go let my dog out. I'm going to let my babysitter go. Yes, no.
We're going to do a few things. I want to make sure.
Well, that's fine, but like I said, you pulled a U-ey right, and then like I said, you didn't turn on your police lights until I was parked and my vehicle was turned off. And the only reason you turned on your lights was because you thought you were going to get me with something, which, like I said, you're not. My vehicle was stopped. You can pull back your camera. We could take it to court if you want to, but then the whole entire community is going to look like a fool because, like I said, you pulled over a vehicle that was already parked. You turned around and pulled a U-ey as I was pulling up to a stop sign. And I told you, I was going over the speed limit. I was going 28 miles an hour in a 25 mile an hour zone, which is 3 miles an hour over the speed limit. I will give you that. However, like I said, My car is here. My car is
Right, well,
parked.
where we're at right now is
Where we're at right now is like I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna let my dog out, and I'm gonna let my babysitter go.
Well, let me do this for me.
I'm not doing any field sobriety tests. I'm not doing anything. I'm already home. I'm going inside. If you want anything, we can take it to court. But like I said, I'm not doing anything. You pulled over a vehicle that was already parked. If you want to take this to court, that is fine. But
Okay,
you are going to look like
okay,
a fool
I tell you
when we
what,
pull
here's
up
what's gonna
your
happen.
when we pull up your
Here's what's gonna
camera.
happen. I need your driver's
listen.
license.
When we pull up your camera and it shows that my car is already
I
parked,
need your driver's license.
you're
and
not
your
getting
vehicle
no.
papers.
You're not. I know my rights. I know my rights. You can't pull over a vehicle that is already parked and turned off. I'm not doing this. Is this your boss?
No, actually, I'm the shift supervisor.
No.
tonight.
Okay. Well, like I said, I know my rights. My car was already parked and turned off. You're not pulling me over because my car is already parked and it was already turned off before you turned on your lights. So if you want to search my vehicle, go ahead. I will unlock it for you.
No, that's okay.
There's
I was just
nothing
looking
in
there.
here.
I'm just looking.
So go ahead and look, but I am going inside. I'm letting my dog out and I am going to bed.
Okay,
My
well,
car
let
was
me
already
tell you
parked.
something.
I know my rights.
I need your driver's license
You
right
do,
now.
You do not need anything. I know my rights. I know my rights. You can't
Okay,
pull over.
You're under arrest right
No,
now.
I'm not. No, wait, hold on. Can we at least talk about this?
We're trying
Like,
to talk about this.
no,
We're trying to
this
talk
is,
about
Ma'am.
you're physically hurting me. For
Be
what?
calm.
No, let me call my mom because this is illegal.
Listen and
This
calm
is
it down.
illegal.
Listen and
Why
calm
is
it
he
down.
being so physically aggressive?
I
Because
need
you're
you- I need
hurting
your
my,
driver's
you're
license.
He
hurting
gave
me.
you multiple
That's
times
fine.
to comply with
That's
his order, and
fine.
you're refusing. Okay.
That's fine. I will give you my paper. I don't even have a
You wanna
driver's
start o- you
license.
wanna start
I
over
have
on
a
this?
paper and I will give it to you. But like I said,
Bring it down.
I will take this to court.
That's
My
fine.
car is already parked.
Okay.
You cannot arrest me. You cannot pull me over. You cannot ticket me because my
wrong.
car is parked. I will pull out my paper if you
Okay.
want to.
All
I don't have a license. Like I told you, I have a temporary permit.
Okay.
And I will pull it out for you. That's fine.
Where is it?
It's in my vehicle. Like I said,
Just
I will
tell me
pull it
where
out
it's
for you.
at.
But nobody has to be physically violent
Okay.
with me. That is rude.
When you're placed under arrest and you're
I'm
and
not under
resisting,
arrest though.
we have
I'm
to-
not under arrest.
Okay, that's not up to you.
No, that is up to me
Oh.
because my car was parked. You can't arrest somebody
Okay.
when my car is. I'm already home. My car is
Are
parked.
you going to listen
His
to what the
lights-
officer has to
like
say,
I
yes
said,
or no?
yes.
Okay.
I will gladly
So I think
pull up
it-
my
I think it would
paper.
be a good decision
but there's
to restart.
nothing you guys can
Okay,
do.
that's fine.
That's
At this
fine. Like I
point,
said, I will
it's going-
cooperate.
Okay.
I'll give you my paper.
Okay,
I'll
let's
do
just-
whatever you need me to
let's
do.
just start over.
But like I said, there's nothing that can
Okay.
be done right now. And if you
Okay.
want to take me to court, that's fine. But
Okay,
like I said,
let's
pull
start
over
this
your
all
body
over.
camera footage. My car was parked before he even pulled me
Okay,
over.
we're past that. Let's get to
That's
what he's
fine.
asking for.
That's fine. You want my paper? That's fine.
I want your paper, and
But
I
I'm
want to do
not.
some field
I'm not
tests on
gonna.
you.
I'm not gonna be disrespected, and I'm not gonna be manhandled. I am a woman, and I'm gonna be treated
then-
with respect.
Ma'am, first off, what's your name?
My name is April, and I just got done leaving a 5-year long relationship,
Okay,
and I will
April.
not be manhandled. I will
April.
not be manhandled.
April.
That is traumatizing
April.
for me.
Here's the thing. I need your.
That's
I
fine.
need your driver's license. If you want to go in and get it,
I will give you
fine.
whatever you need to give me, but
And
as
then
long
I-
as we
and
can
then I'm-
understand
and then
that
I'm gonna do
like
some field
you're
tests
not
to
gonna.
make sure that you're okay to be driving.
I'm not even driving. You pulled over a car that was parked. So I
Okay.
will give you the paperwork that
Let's
you
start-
need to look
let's
at.
start with that.
But like I
That'll
said,
be a
I'm
start.
not doing any tests because I'm not driving. I am home. You pulled over a parked vehicle. And that will look silly in court. That will look ridiculous in court. It will look absolutely ridiculous and nothing
Get
will
your
hold.
paperwork, and then we're gonna do some field tests.
That's no, like I said, I'm not doing any field tests because, like I said, I know my rights. I will call my lawyer if I need to right now off of my other phone
Let's
because
just focus
I'm
on
not
what we're
doing
asking for
this.
right now. Let's go.
122 is going to be the male or female.
This is my
version
ridiculous, my thing, and like I said, I'm not. This is completely ridiculous. I'm very pissed off. Like I'm so like, I'm shaking because like I said, I just got done leaving a relationship, and you just manhandled me, and like I can't even breathe. I feel like I just feel so disrespected. My boundaries feel violated. I just want to go let my dog out, and I want to go
Okay.
the fuck to bed, and I want to sleep with my
Okay.
children. I want to let my babysitter go home, and I want to sleep with my kids. I want to let my dog out. Like, this is ridiculous. You know it's ridiculous just as much as I do. That's why
Okay.
you're pushing it as hard as you are.
Okay. He's gonna do a little talking on the radio. So I'm getting an odor of intoxicants from you.
You're not. I'm literally freezing out here. I'm shaking because I'm freezing and I'm pissed off. No,
When you get out of the car, you almost fell out of the car.
I did not almost fall out of the car. We can pull your body footage up in court, and you will be proven wrong.
And so I need to do some field tests.
You do not need to do any field tests. You do not need to do any field tests. If you want to do some field sobriety tests, that's fine. I will pass every single one of them.
Okay, well, let's go for it.
That's all we're trying to do.
Let's go for it. Let's start with this. Just with your eyes, follow my finger.
No, I'm not doing anything. I'm like I told you.
You just said you were.
Yeah, but like I told you, I know my legal rights. The minute I start cooperating with you guys can use stuff to pull at me. And I'm not doing any of that. You pulled over a parked vehicle, and you're going to try to wrongfully arrest me, which if you do, that's fine. You could take me to jail and do whatever you want to do because I didn't want to cooperate. But then when I take it to court and they pull up your body camera footage and they show that you pulled over a parked vehicle, not only are they going to tell you that you were wrong in that situation, but you were also abusing police, like, all this stuff, like, all of this was so unnecessary. They're gonna get on you for all that. Like, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. We don't need to be doing any of this. You pulled over a parked vehicle. I want to go inside.
You're not gonna go inside
my
until
dog.
you're not gonna go inside until I'm comfortable that you were okay to have been driving.
I am okay to be driving.
Okay, well let's do a few things and then I'll be comfortable with it and we'll get you on your way. How's that sound?
No, that's ridiculous because you're just trying to get me for some stupid ass shit. Like I said, I'm not doing it because you can't pull over a parked vehicle. I know my legal rights. I know my legal rights.
You're wrong.
If you try to arrest me, we will take this to court. And both of you guys, I will get both of your badge numbers before we leave tonight. And I will have both of you guys in court for wrongfully arresting me for parking for a parked vehicle that wasn't even in drive. My vehicle wasn't even in motion. And I'm sitting out here freezing. I want to go inside. I want to go inside. I want to let my dog out. You guys have so many more important things to be doing. You're worried about a car that's parked when there's plenty of people out there driving right now, probably causing mayhem, and you're worried about me when I am home. I'm trying to go to bed. Like, why is this such a big deal? Like I told you, we're going to go to court and this is going to get laughed at in your face and you're going to get a ticket for it. You're going to get written up.
Okay, April.
I know this shit because my brother is a state police officer. I know this shit. You're going to get written up. I know this. You can't pull over a parked vehicle. I know my rights. My brother's an officer. I know this dumb shit. This is stupid. You're wasting your time. You're wasting my time. You're wasting valuable police time and all of their equipment. Like, what is this for? You parked over a parked vehicle. As I'm getting out to walk inside, you're just parking your car and stepping out. As I'm already walking up to my house, as I'm already getting out of my vehicle is when you park your car. That doesn't make sense.
That's because it took me this long to catch up with you.
No, because you pulled a Yui, right on that road, and I had already turned down. It's a one stop sign right here. Literally 2 turns. By the time you pulled your Yui and you pulled around here, and I pulled in here, right when I pulled in and turned off my vehicle, your lights turned on right where that second police vehicle is. You turned them on right as I turned off my car. And I opened up my car door, and right when I was stepping out of my car, you parked your car right there. I know my fucking rights.
All right.
You're not going to pull me over for a parked vehicle when I'm already at my home address.
122. Did we get a return on that mission ops I gave you?
You're not going to go inside until I'm comfortable that you're under the limit for alcohol.
I am. What do you want me to do? Stand on one leg?
Okay,
like I told you, I'm a fucking gymnastics. Like, I dance for a living.
Let's start with this.
123, Echo is available.
So you're not going to let me in unless I do this. But if I do this, and then what happens, then you're just going to take me to your police car when my car was already parked. So that's like what I'm saying is like I'm not going to cooperate with any of this stuff because you're going to use it to your power. I know how this works. I know how this works. You're just trying to get me for something. That's the same
Okay, you
thing.
say-
With,
you say
that's
you're
the same thing
gonna
with
do 'em.
answering any questions. When I get
You
pulled
say you're
over on the
gonna do 'em, and then you
road,
don't.
I roll down my window just an inch and I say, "Excuse me, I'm not answering any questions.
Hey,
I'm not answering any
well,
questions."
here's the thing. Your
Anytime
eyes
I
are
get pulled
watering.
over.
Your face, you got
Because
a
I'm
little bit of...
fucking freezing. Look at my hands are turning red.
Okay.
I'm shivering. I'm wearing practically nothing under here besides lingerie. I went over to my girlfriend's house to go have sex with her, and then I came back home. Excuse me, like I'm naked under here. I'm in just lingerie. I want to go inside.
Bear with me for a couple minutes, and we'll get this resolved. All right?
This is just frustrating. You're wasting your time. You're wasting my time.
Okay, well, let's get this over with. All right?
No, I'm already home. My car was parked when you pulled me over.
We're wasting time. You're delaying it further. If you
Yeah,
get through
because
the
this is-
test,
no,
then
this
if
is
you're
just
under the legal
because-
limit, then you're done.
Because it's you
But
can't
now-
test me for operating a vehicle while intoxicated if I wasn't operating a vehicle when I was pulled over. Again, I know my legal rights.
Okay.
You can't test somebody for operating a vehicle
Right.
if they were not operating
Right.
a fucking vehicle.
Can't you say that he was?
He
saw-
turned on his
right,
lights
as you were
when
driving
my-
your vehicle.
No, he turned on his lights right where your car
But
said.
he saw
see-
you driving, right?
No,
Oh, he did.
he saw me. Yeah, he saw me driving. He saw me slowing down to a stop
Saw
sign.
you driving.
I was going to.
That's all I need
I
to
was
hear.
going
Mr.
28,
Belknap, if you want to
and
continue.
he pulled the UE right as I was turning from
April.
a stop sign.
April, please.
So I was already stopped. My vehicle was stopped, and I was turning at a
We're
stop
giving
sign.
you every opportunity to just comply with the test.
I just don't understand why you're not going to let me go inside because you
Well-
know this is bullshit.
It is not. Well, let me do
This is
this.
bullshit.
Let's spend a couple minutes, and then if
I
you, and
want
if
to
you come
go
out okay,
inside. I
well, you're
want to
not
let
gonna
my
go
dog
inside.
out.
You're not
I
gonna
want to
go
let my
anywhere.
babysitter go home so I can get in bed with my children. Like,
Will you or will you not cooperate with us?
are you going to arrest me if I don't do this fucking silly
It's
shit that
very
you
likely. It's
do?
very likely.
For what? For not doing your field sobriety test, you're gonna arrest me even though my vehicle is parked. And then I'm gonna take you to court for it, and we're gonna pull up your body camera footage, and they're gonna laugh in your face when I hire a really nice lawyer, like I do every fucking
Is
time.
that really the way you want to go through this?
I know that's how it works though, because at the end of the day, spending one night in jail, but then getting a nice lawyer and getting all of you guys in trouble for your false doing and abusing your power, that is satisfying to me. That is satisfying. Getting a lawyer
think of
who
anything
knows
else I can try?
who knows my legal rights. Like I said, if you're gonna arrest me and I have no other fucking option, I'll
That's-
do it. That's fine.
That's
but at
where
the
we,
end
that,
of the
that
day,
is where we are.
if
That is where we are.
like I am more than willing to take this to court just to laugh in your face and get you a fucking ticket,
And,
both
that,
of
and
you.
that's your right. So let's
right.
get through
It
this.
is my
So let's get through
right.
this.
Perfect.
Let's start with a little thing with your eyes. Just if you'd keep your nose pointed right at me.
It's
and
kind of
just,
fucking hard that you've had me sitting out here in the fucking
And
cold,
just- okay,
butt ass naked
We'll be
for the
quick.
last fucking 10 minutes.
just with your eyes, follow my finger. Okay, just with your eyes, follow my finger. I'm going to go back and forth a couple times. Do you have any vision problems or anything like that?
I'm supposed to be wearing glasses, but I'm not wearing them tonight.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go back and forth a number of times here.
Right.
I'm trying to keep it where I can see your eyes, but not blind you with it.
Or you're fucking blinding me.
Well, you got to keep your head still. Keep your head still for me. Keep your head still for me.
I'm trying. I'm fucking shivering. Do you not
I know.
see me?
And I'm shivering right along.
I'm
right
literally,
along.
like I told you, I'm literally wearing nothing under this besides
All
lingerie.
All right, I'm shivering right
A
along
bra, a fucking harness, and a
All right.
thong. That's all.
with you. Right.
That's all I'm wearing.
Okay.
You want to see it? I'll gladly show you. I'm wearing fucking nothing.
Not
I'm
at all.
freezing. I want to go inside, and I want to put my dog to bed. My car was off when you pulled me
Okay.
over.
Next thing I'm going to ask you to do is the alphabet. I'm going to ask you to start at A and stop at V. Don't do the whole thing. Start at A and stop at V like Victor. Can you do that for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
All right. Next thing I'm going to, flats on, so you're good. Next thing I'm going to ask you to do, I'm going to ask you to pick 1 foot up off the ground, doesn't matter which one. I'm going to have you start at 37 and count backwards to 21. 37, 36, 35, 34. You got that?
Yeah, just
And-
give me a minute. Like I told you, I'm literally shivering.
I
I don't know why you guys are making me do this. I'm fucking naked. And my car is off. You pulled me over for nothing.
Okay, are we
Like,
gonna continue?
I'm just pissed off. I'm cold. My hands are fucking red, bro. 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. What number do you want me to stop at?
21.
24, 23, 22, 21.
All right.
Can I go inside, please, and let my fucking dog out?
A couple more things. Next thing, the thing with your fingers, I'm going to ask you to watch me. I'll demonstrate. You're going to touch and count just like I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Except do it through twice for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm not gonna count 4 twice because it's retarded. So stupid. I really just want to go inside. Like I don't understand why you pulled over my car when I was parked.
Okay, here we've got enough room here. Next, I'm gonna ask you to do, and don't do it till I get done. I'll demonstrate for you. But I'm gonna have you start in the 0 position, which is with your right foot in front of your left, with the heel touching your toe. All right.
Right, when my
Right.
car's already parked, you're gonna keep making me test
And then
more.
I'm gonna have you take 10 steps walking heel to toe. You're gonna walk heel to toe 10 steps,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna turn
Like,
around and
keep
come back
passing your
7.
tests. You want to keep making me go.
Did you get all the instructions?
I heard you. Walk 10 steps, heel to toe, turn around, 10 steps, heel to toe, back. I fucking got it,
No,
bro.
10 steps, heel to toe, turn around, come back 7.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You impressed? Can I go get dressed? Can I put on some fucking clothes now?
One moment. How long has it been? Well, we've been out here for probably
I don't
15,
even
20
know.
minutes.
I'm too cold. I'm literally shivering. My nose is running.
1:17. How long have we been? Stop. There. Last thing state law says on a request of a police officer, you're supposed to take a preliminary breath test. If you don't take it, then it's a civil infraction ticket for not taking it. Just like blowing up a balloon.
No, that's not how it works, but I'm pretty sure I know because they did that last time. I have the right to refuse a blow test, and there's no side precautions besides a ticket and a fine that will be fined to me. So I will take that ticket, and that's it. You can write me a ticket, and that's
Okay,
that.
well, you're under arrest for drunk driving.
Okay, well then give me the blow test. Give me the blow test. You're not gonna fucking manhandle me. I told you I've been. This is very traumatizing. Please don't. I will take the breath test.
Will you
But
take
you're
it?
not gonna physically touch me. I
April?
told you 2
April,
times.
enough.
I will take the breath
Okay,
test.
well, you just said
let
you
it
would.
go on me.
So you just said you would.
That's fine,
It's
but
not
let
a
go
game
of
that you
me.
would. It's not a game.
I
Yes,
told
will, no,
you.
won't.
I literally just went through. Please don't touch me like that.
Well, you got to go along with the program here.
That's fine, but
Right.
like you don't need to physically
April,
touch me
take
like
a big
that.
breath, make a
That's
tight seal, and
very
blow long and say stop.
traumatizing for me.
Take a good breath, make a tight seal, blow long and hard until I say stop. Let's go. April. Take in a good breath, make a tight seal on tube, and blow hard until I say stop.
Just give me a second, please. You just fucking traumatizing me again. Like I need a minute.
We're being overly patient with you.
That's fine, and you pulled over a parked vehicle.
Ma'am, take a big
That was
breath.
already at my house. I was already
April,
parked.
take a big
So
breath.
that's fine if you don't want to wait for it, but you physically manhandled me for no fucking reason.
Take a big breath, make a tight seal, and blow hard until I say stop. Blow it harder, 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 harder. Keep going, keep going. Gotta have more volume. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm not sure I got enough volume on that. We'll see. Right. You are under arrest for drunk driving.
Why? When my vehicle is already parked,
Put your hands.
and it's literally 0.1 over the speed limit, and you parked a you pulled over a parked vehicle. You pulled over a parked vehicle. That's exactly why I didn't want to do your test,
Ma'am?
because you pulled over a parked fucking vehicle. You knew you did this because you knew. No, you knew. That's why you knew. That's why you didn't say shit.
Wasn't here.
Because he knew that I was
Okay.
an shit, and he pulled over a parked.
Here's your.
And I'm gonna take you, mother, to court. No, I'm gonna take you to court. No, it don't matter. It don't matter, because I will take you to court, and I will say that you put my children in danger by pulling over a parked vehicle.
Anything
I was
alcohol,
already
anything
home,
tobacco, leave in there.
And you're wasting valuable police resources. No, listen, you're wasting valuable police resources by pulling